Hachiko, the loyal Akita from Japan, is a heartwarming symbol of devotion. Every day, he waited at Shibuya Station for his owner, Hidesaburo Ueno, to return from work. Tragically, Ueno passed away in 1925, but Hachiko continued to wait at the station for nearly 10 years, showing unwavering loyalty. His story touched the hearts of many, leading to a bronze statue being erected in his honor in 1934. Today, Hachiko's tale reminds us of the incredible bond between humans and dogs, and his legacy lives on as a symbol of loyalty worldwide.